Hello everyone, today I have another question for flat earthers and it has to do with this guy, our moon. The question is quite simple. If the earth is flat, why does everyone on the planet see the same side of the moon, and why is the view of the moon inverted depending on which hemisphere you're in? As you can see, it's the same side of the moon, but the view is inverted. Now I've heard explanations on this like the moon makes a rolling motion, but that rolling motion would be visible from every location on the planet, besides people in both hemispheres can see the moon simultaneously and have that inverted view of the moon. So a clockwise rotation as suggested here wouldn't be possible. Now if you look at a flat earth model with the moon orbiting at a same kind of orbit as the sun does, you shouldn't be able to see the same side of the moon as someone who is on an opposite side of the Earth, on the opposite side of the moon's orbit, looking at that same moon. You would be either inside the orbit or you would be outside the orbit. Looking at this graph, someone in the northern hemisphere, inside the moon's orbit, would only be able to see the blue and orange part, and someone outside that orbit, in the southern hemisphere, would only be able to see the pink and orange part. So the only part both of them can see at the same time is the orange part of the moon, which is about 1/4 of the moon and not half, as we can see at the same time at this moment. So the same would apply for people looking at the moon from east and west. So looking at the moon at the same time from all directions, you should all have a different view on the moon, not the same as we see now. How would you explain why this is not what we see, but we all see the same side of the moon all the time? When you're a flat earther and you have an explanation, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.